Today I show you how to add a fingerprint on your Android phone. You might have your Android phone that has a fingerprint scanner on the display, like here, you press here and then it turns on the display. On some Android phones, you might have the display built into the power button, like the Sony Xperia phones, like my Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Other Android phones, especially older Android phones, will have the fingerprint reader at the back of the phone. So to unlock the phone, to use the fingerprint, you have to do something like this on the back of the phone. That could be convenient when you do like that, or on the power button, or on the screen. So it's really the same thing. I will show you in this video how to add another fingerprint where you have one fingerprint and you can add a second one. You can use the same process to add the first fingerprint, but usually you set this up at the beginning when you get the phone. So this is the fingerprint. This is my finger here, but as you will see, this finger here, as you will see, this finger doesn't unlock the phone. Okay, so my index finger can unlock the phone, but my ring finger cannot unlock the phone. So how can I add this extra finger to unlock the phone? It's pretty easy. You can add multiple fingers on the unlock phone, so you can unlock the phone with your left hand or right hand. So go to settings, and in here, go to the security, and here in security you should look for fingerprint manager. So I have 4 fingerprints added, and I can add one more. You have to enter your device code, the passcode. Once I added the passcode, you will see here you have your fingerprints, and you can add or remove fingerprints just like that. It would be useful, I guess, to have, so you can give them a name, but doesn't really matter. You can use the fingerprint manager to delete fingerprints or add fingerprints. So now I tap add fingerprint, and it will ask just the same way as you do when you set up the phone for the first time. When it's asking you if you want to set up a fingerprint, I would really suggest that you use a fingerprint if you want to, and at least one finger. So for this phone, normally, depending on where you have the fingerprint, now is the time when you put your finger on the scanner. So I put the finger on the scanner here on the side. I'm using the same finger, so it shouldn't be. I will use this ring finger now, move it slightly, so change the position slightly, and I move it a bit more like this, as it's wanting me. So it's added, fingerprint added, done. And now I have one more fingerprint. You can have only up to 5 fingerprints, 5 fingers. You can have up to 5 fingerprints on the phone. So I think that's plenty, more than enough. So now I can unlock with the index finger, but I can also unlock with the ring finger, but not with the middle finger or the pinky finger. I can't unlock with the pinky finger, but the ring finger, if I try too many times with the wrong fingerprint, it will ask for the passcode. So if I try the pinky finger, it's not gonna work, but the ring finger, it works. That's all. I hope this helps you. You can add and remove fingerprints very easily with the fingerprint manager in the security settings on your Android phone. This is Android 15, Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, but it's going to be very similar on previous versions of Android, and the future versions will be very similar. Thanks for watching.